Good morning. Today we are going to see the problems under the subject EC8353 electron devices and circuit. In the previous two classes we have seen about the solved problems for the various BJT amplifiers, MOSFET and all we have seen. Now we are going to see the problem under a rectifier. So here the question they are given as a full wave bridge rectifier with a 120 volt RMS sinusoidal input as a load resistance of 1 kilo ohm. If the silicon diodes are employed, what is the DC voltage available at the load? First question. And B, determine the required peak inverse voltage is known as the PIV. PIV rating of each diode. Third question is find the maximum current through each diode during the conduction. And the fourth question is what is the required power rating of each diode. So from the question first you are going to write that Vrms equal to 120 volt and then they have given the load resistance RL equal to 1 kilo ohm. So 1 into 10 to the power of 3 ohms. So first you are going to calculate what is the DC voltage available at the load. So for a full wave bridge rectifier the DC voltage is VDC equal to 2 into Vm by pi. So Vm is known as Vm is equal to Vrms divided Vrms into root 2. So Vrms question la kuduthirukanga 120. So 120 into root 2 equal to 169.68 volt. So we are going to calculate what is the VDC. VDC da find pananum. So VDC equal to 2 into Vm by pi. Previous step la Vm find out pannirnom. Vrms square root. So find out panna value substitute pannunga 2 into Vm oda value 169.68 divided by pi. So that you are having the answer as 108.07 volt. Second question, what is the determine the required PIV rating of the each diode. So peak inverse voltage of a diode find out pannanum. So peak inverse voltage equal to 2 times of Vm is equal to 2 into 169.68. Vm oda value 169.68. So 2 times அப்படிங்கிறப்ப 339.36 volt. Second, third question, what find the minimum current through each diode during the conduction. So you are going to calculate the maximum current value. So maximum current is equal to VDC equal to 2 into Im divided by pi. So 2 times of Vm by pi into 1 divided by RL. You know that Im is equal to Vm divided by RL. Current is equal to voltage divided by resistance. So Vm divided by RL. So 2 into Vm divided by pi into RL. So Vm to Vm, which is the formula can be written as VDC divided by RL. 2 Vm by pi எதுக்கு equal? VDC க்கு equal. So VDC divided by RL. So VDC ஓட value find out பண்ணிருந்தோம் 108.07 volt. So substitute பண்ணுங்க 108.07 divided by load resistance kilo ohm. So 10 to the power of 3. So your answer is 108.07 milliampere. So 10 to the power 3 numerator la place பண்ணோம் அப்படினா minus 3. So minus means milli. You are finding out in the current value. So your answer is 108.07 milliampere. So Im is equal to Vm divided by RL. So Vm oda value என்ன find out பண்ணிருக்கோம் 169.68 divided by 1 into 10 to the power of 3. So 169.68 into 10 to the power minus 3 means 169.68 milliampere. Same as above. So second we are going to calculate what is the fourth question. What is the required power rating of the each diode. So power rating of the each diode, power is equal to voltage into R. So which is equal to voltage என்ன value find out பண்ணிருந்தோம் Vm ஓட value. So 169.68 question la find out பண்ணிருந்தோம் into resistances they have given as a 1 kilo ohm. So 10 to the power 3 they can written as 1000. So 1000 ங்கிறப்ப 169.68 kilowatt. So 169.68 kilowatt ங்கிறது power. So power rating of the each diode அப்படிங்கிறப்ப Vm into Im. So Vm ஓட value 169.68 into 10 to the power of minus 3 into 169 69.68 into 10 to the power of minus 3. So your answer is 28.8 millivolt. Two diodes இருக்கும் forward rectifier, full wave rectifier. So you are having two diodes means you are squaring the two values. So you are having that 28.8 millivolt as a power. So bridge rectifier la DC voltage find out பண்றதுக்கான formula VDC equal to 2 Vm by pi, and then VDC is equal to 2 Vm by pi. So Vm is known as the Vrms into root 2. Peak inverse voltage is equal to 2 Vm. Maximum current find out பண்றதுக்கான formula VDC equal to 2 into Im by pi value. So power rating is equal to P equal to Vm into Im. Next, they have given the diagram. Assuming both the diodes to be idle, determine the DC output voltage and peak inverse voltage and the rectification efficiency. So 230 volt AC supply, they have given the input. So first you are going to find out the DC output voltage. இங்கே 5:1 கொடுத்துருக்காது number of turns in the primary and the secondary windings. So DC output voltage find out பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா V2 is equal to V1 into N2 divided by N1. So N2 divided by N1, V1 ங்கிறது input voltage 230. So 230 into N2 ஓட value 1. 1 divided by 5. So it is equal to 0.2. So 230 into 0.2 is equal to 230 into 0.2 is 46 volt. Second half of the secondary voltage means PS equal to V2 divided by 2. So 46 divided by 2 is equal to 23 volt. So maximum value of the half of secondary voltage can be given by the formula Vm is equal to Bs into root 2. So Vs oda value previous step la find out பண்ணிருந்தோம் 23 volt. So 23 into root 2 is equal to 32.5 volt. So DC voltage oda formula VDC equal to 2 Vm by pi. Vm oda value previous step la find out பண்ணிருந்தோம் 32.5. So 2 into 32.5 divided by pi value. So VDC equal to 20.7 volt. So DC voltage find பண்ணிருக்கோம். Second question PIV, peak inverse voltage. So peak inverse voltage equal to 2 times of Vm, which is equal to 2 into 32.5, which is equal to 65 volt. Next, rectification efficiency. Rectification efficiency is 81.2% for a full wave rectifier. So here now we are calculating the you are using only two formulas. One is the DC voltage, VDC equal to 2 Vm by pi. Vm is equal to Vs into root 2. Second one is the peak inverse voltage, which is equal to twice the Vm. Next question, as VGS is changed from minus 1 volt to minus 1.5 volt, keeping the VDS constant, ID of the FET dropped from 7 milliampere to 5 milliampere. What is the transconductance of the FET if the AC drain resistance is 200 kilo ohm? Find also the amplification factor of the FET. Question la first RD கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. RD is equal to 200 kilo ohm. So 200 into 10 to the power of 3. So change in VGS. Actually question la first VGS changed from nu கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So change in வந்து -1 ல இருந்து -1.5. So change in drain current என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க 7 to 5 milliampere. So first அது நோட் பண்ணிருக்கோம். So change அப்படிங்கிறப்ப டெல்லுங்கிற சிம்பிள் யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். So del VGS equal to -1 minus 1.5, which is equal to 0.5. So அதே மாதிரி change in the drain current. So del ID is equal to 7 minus 5, 2 milliampere. First question is regarding find the transconductance. Transconductance is GM. So GM is equal to del ID divided by del VGS. So del ID என்ன find out பண்ணிருக்கோம் 2 milliampere divided by 0.5 volt. So cancel பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா நமக்கு answer is 10. So 10 milliampere per volt or 10 milliseconds. You can put any either unit for a transconductance. Transconductance formula del ID divided by del VGS. Del means a change in the voltage, change in the drain current. Second one, they have asked for the amplification factor. Amplification factor find out பண்றதுக்கான formula Usually amplification factor is represented as mu. So mu is equal to RD into GM. So RDங்கிறது resistance, drain resistance 200 kilo ohm questionல specify பண்ணிருந்தாங்க. So 200 into 10 to the power 3 into 10 into 10 to the power of minus 3. So mu is equal to 200 ohm. Right? Transconductance and the amplification factor. Next question, for the JFET, if IDSS equal to 20 milliampere, VGS off is equal to minus 5 volt, VGM not equal to 4 milliseconds, determine the transconductance for VGS equal to minus 4 volt and ID at this point. So VGS off oda value minus 5 கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, IDSS oda value 20 milliampere. So 20 into 10 to the power of minus 3. GMO is equal to 4 milliseconds. So millingrappa 4 into 10 to the power minus 3. So VGS ங்கிறது minus 4 volt. So transconductance at a particular point கேட்டாங்க அப்படின்னா நம்மளோட formula GM is equal to GM naught into 1 minus VGS divided by VGS off. So GM naught ஓட value questionலயே கொடுத்திருக்காங்க 4 milliseconds. So 4 into 1 minus VGS is minus 4. So minus 4 divided by minus 5 which is equal to 0.8 milliseconds. So GM find out பண்ணிருக்கோம். Next வந்து drain current at that point ன்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. So drain current formula ID is equal to IDSS into 1 minus VGS divided by VGS off. GM equal to GM naught. அதே மாதிரி ID is equal to IDSS into 1 minus VGS divided by VGS off. So 20 into 1 minus minus 4 divided by minus 5 the whole square. So your answer is 0.8 milliseconds. If you are cancelling the term means you are having the answer as a 0.8 milliampere. Next question, if the ID is equal to 4 milliampere, determine the VGS and the VDS respectively. Questionல கொடுத்திருக்காங்க ID ஓட value 4 milliampere and R1 and R2 ஓட value கொடுத்திருக்காங்க M ன்னு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, right? 2M means mega ohm. So mega means 10 to the power of 6. 250 mega ohm. So 250 into 10 to the power of 6. So now we are going to calculate for the formula, determine the VGS. So VGS and the VDS. So VG find out பண்றதுக்கான formula VDD into R2 divided by R1 plus R2. So அந்த values substitute பண்ணீங்க அப்படின்னா VG ஓட value 2.22 volt. So voltage from the source to ground find out பண்ணணும். VS equal to VG minus VGS. So VGS ஓட value find out பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா ID find out பண்ணணும். ID is equal to VS divided by RS. So நம்ம இதில் இருந்து VS ஓட வேல்யூ தான் நமக்கு தேவை. ஸோ நீங்கள் ஃபார்முலாவை ஷிஃப்ட் பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா VS equal to 4 into 10 to the power of minus 3 into 1.5 into 10 to the power of 3. ஸோ VS ஓட வேல்யூ 6 volt. ஸோ நம்ம VGS ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா என்ன ஃபார்முலா VG minus VS. VG ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஃபைண்ட் பண்ணியிருந்தோம் 2.22 volt. செகண்ட் ஸ்டெப்பில் VS ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணியிருந்தோம். ஸோ 2.22 minus 6 volt is minus 3.8 volt. Right, next DC voltage from the drain to ground. So DC voltage formula VD is equal to VDD minus ID into RD. VDD question la கொடுத்திருந்தாங்க 20 minus ID is 4 into 10 to the power of minus 3 into 2.5 into 10 to the power of 3. RD oda value 3. So your answer is VD is equal to 4.0 volt. So this is the another problem regarding the JFET. Next one, calculate the voltage gain of AB is equal to V0 divided by VI at 1 kilohertz for the circuit. GM is equal to 2 milliampere per volt and RD is equal to 10K. You can neglect the capacitance. ஸோ கொஷின்லேயே கொடுத்துருக்காங்க ரெசிஸ்டன்ஸோட வேல்யூ 50K இருக்குது, ஆர்டியோட வேல்யூ 10Kன்னு கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஸோ GM is equal to 2 milliampere per volt. ஸோ மில்லிங்கிறப்ப 10 to the power of minus 3. RD is 10 kilo ohm, 10 into 10 to the power of 3. RD is capital RD is 50K ohm. So 50 into 10 to the power of 3. So you are just substituting the value in the formula. RL is equal to RD parallel capital RD. So 10K parallel 50K. So 10K parallel 50K can be written as 10K into 50K divided by 10K plus 50K. So value substitute pandra, your answer is 8.33 kilo ohm. Next, they have asked to find out the voltage gain of the FET. So, voltage gain of the FET amplifier can be given by AV is equal to minus GM into RL. So, minus GM ஓட வேல்யூ கொஷன்லேயே கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. மைனஸ்ங்கிறது இந்த ஃபார்முலாவில் யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம். 2 milliampere per volt. So, minus 2 milliampere per volt into 8.33 kilo ohm. So, which is equal to minus 16.67. So, voltage gain of the FET is minus GM into RL. Next, a unijunction transistor used for triggering the silicon controlled rectifier as RB1 is equal to 4 kilo ohm, RB2 is equal to 2.5 kilo ohm. First question, find the value of intrinsic standoff ratio. Second question, the peak point voltage if VBB is equal to 15 volt, take the barrier potential as 0.7. So, RB1 oda value 4 kilo ohm சொல்லிருக்காங்க. RB2 is 2.5 kilo ohm. So, VBB oda value is 15 volt. So, VD is given as 0.7 volt. So, intrinsic standoff ratio find out பண்ணணும். First question la intrinsic standoff ratio is theta is equal to RB1 divided by RB1 plus RB2. So, RB1 questionலேயே கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. உங்களுடைய வோல்டேஜ் எல்லாமே ரெசிஸ்டன்ஸ் எல்லாமே கேல இருக்கிறதுனால நம்ம லெஃப்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கான். ஸோ RB1 divided by RB1 plus RB2. ஸோ RB1ஓட வேல்யூ 4 divided by 4 plus 2.5. So, the eta value is 0.62. Second question, find the peak point voltage. So, VP is the peak point voltage. Formula VP is equal to eta into VBB plus VD. Eta is a previous step we have find the value of eta, which is the intrinsic standoff ratio. So, eta means 0.62 into VBB value they have given in the question as 15 volt. So, into 15 plus 0.7. So, VP is equal to 10 volt. So, UJT la intrinsic standoff ratio and the peak voltage, peak point voltage find out பண்ணணும். Formula is eta equal to RB1 divided by RB1 plus RB2. Peak point voltage VP is equal to eta into VBB plus VD. Up to this, we have completed the syllabus.